So if I just got hired at a car dealership or I was starting out as a car salesman, these are the first few things that I would do. My name is Christopher and welcome back to another episode of Cars Unlocked here, guys. So happy that you are here. We're starting a new series here called my Cars Unlocked Academy to help you unlock your full potential in car sales. I'm launching my Cars Unlocked Unlocking Your Potential Masterclass, and we're gonna link it in the description below. And it's just a 1 hour quick masterclass program to help you learn the do's and don'ts of car sales. And that would be a first start. You can click the link in the description below to sign up and get access to the free masterclass. Make sure you guys click that link if you are looking to learn more and do some self-training on the side. But the first thing that you should do is get familiar with the product at the dealership you're selling. Whatever dealership you work at, study a little bit of the product, study the brand, how it got started, some of the most popular cars. Again, you're gonna wanna study your whole product lineup from the new cars, and then you can start with the used cars, but I would just focus mostly on the new cars. Take each vehicle that you have out for a nice, long, solid test drive, 45 minutes to an hour. Get to know the ins and outs of those cars. That's your first thing. Once you kind of do that and take every car out in the lineup, I would recommend you pick maybe 2 or 3 of the most popular selling vehicles, the ones that all the customers are asking for, that are most popular for your brand, and just learn the insides and outs. Learn the pricing, the payments, all the features that they have, the different trim levels, the incentives that they're offering that month. And then once you have those ones down pat, then start focusing on some of the other ones that are less popular. Second thing, and this is one thing I still do to this day, and I did it right when I started out, is go mystery shopping. Enter the dealership, go for a test drive, listen to how the salesperson is talking to you about the vehicle, listen how he gathers your info, listen to the steps of their sales process that they take, study it, and log it up here. You're gonna learn after the fact how they follow up with their customers, and you need to be better than that guy when you start taking customers of your own. You want to get the word out of your new job, obviously. You want everybody in your network to know, hey, this is what I do now and this is where I do it. Get the word out to all your contacts in your cell phone, post it on social media. You want to get the word out however you can and as many ways as you can, so that when your friends or family are looking for a vehicle, they're gonna come to you. Once you hit the sales floor or start working at the dealership, you wanna find a mentor. So you wanna find somebody. Ideally, I would recommend you go to one of the top guys who are selling like 25 to 30 cars a month. See if you can shadow them or see if they'll be your mentor, or you can be their kind of protege in the car sales industry. Listen to their word tracking, listen to how they talk on the phone, and just listen to their sales process and register their sales process and try to imitate that in your day-to-day activities. So don't go to the guy who's selling 4 or 5 cars a month here. Go to the top guy who's selling 30 cars plus. That's the guy you want to learn from. You want to learn from a winner, and you make sure you have a mentor to guide you in your new career path. Start using the phone. The phone's gonna be your best friend, especially when you're starting out. You're not gonna have a database of referrals and things like that of people consistently coming in to help sales. All your sales are gonna have to be organic, they're gonna have to be new, and you're gonna have to work hard for your first couple years to establish a network of repeat clients. And using the phone is how you're gonna do this. Learn to call your leads, call the script. I've had a video posted on how to make phone calls all throughout your sales life. So whatever you have to do to find people to call, start using the phone and trying to book some appointments. Another tip I recommend for all new salespeople is telling all your customers you're new. Once you hit the sales floor and you have customers, just let them know that you're new. I told people I was new for the first 1.5 years. It's a lot easier when you make mistakes. People understand, hey, he's new, he's gonna make mistakes, and people kind of don't have their guard up as much when they're new. They kind of know, hey, this guy isn't gonna screw me over. This guy doesn't even know how to screw me over if he wanted to because he's so new. So telling people you're new, it does sound counterintuitive, but it will go a long way and just help you build a trusting relationship with your customer. I also would learn a sales process and follow that sales process. So a sales process is your process from start to finish, how you approach each customer, learn the sales process, and you're gonna wanna try to stick to that sales process with every single customer. Once you have the sales process down, it'll make it much easier to stay in control from start to finish. We're gonna get into that a little later in some of my other training videos, but having a sales process and sticking to a sales process is key. You're also gonna wanna work on some self-training and just growing and getting better on your own. So watching videos like this, reading books, Whatever you can do to self-train in your spare time is gonna be key, and it's just gonna accelerate your growth a lot quicker. But self-training is one thing I would recommend for anybody starting out. So you guys know I'm here for you guys. You guys feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment on this video if you guys have questions about car sales. Did you learn something here today? Has this helped you with your first couple months in car sales? Let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.